Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Lion Door or Leon Door, I don't know, car multimedia player with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To be honest, I think the brand is like a generic brand and you have multiple brands that sell these and they all look the same, so I guess it's the same device. Not 100% sure, but pretty sure. And as you can see, it has CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, touchscreen, and whole bunch of other stuff like DVR, Bluetooth. There's actually a camera on the back, that's optional, and a touchscreen, and it's powered by your cigarette lighter. I can show you now. So, what's inside the box? I already took out the device so I can show it to you. This is the rear view camera, which you can use if your car doesn't have it. My car does not have it. A user guide, a mounting thingy with the little nap. We got an aux cable, and we got a actually longer cable for the rear view camera. So that's it. So let's take a look at the device. Okay, a lot of mirroring, but this is what it looks like if it's not connected to your Android Auto or CarPlay. You got the FM radio settings, you got the flash drive, you got the Bluetooth settings, you got phone link, and when you actually click phone link, you get a choice for CarPlay, Apple, Android, etc. And you can also use Wi-Fi Connect on Android. Don't know if it works on Apple because I don't have one. You got the clock, you got a calendar, you got the DVR, which is actually the camera, because there's a dash cam in it, and you can also set up the back cam. There's a calculator, of course, because you need a calculator. And there's a setup with lots of settings. So this is actually a pretty cool function, and it works. Not about the calculator, of course, but just the random settings. Well, this is the audio or video player, but there's nothing on the SD card. And on top of here you can see some icons which show like Bluetooth on, SD card inside, and FM radio on. And of course the brightness, because you also have a night mode. Ooh, night mode. And this is what you came for, as the song says. As you can see, you got Google Maps. I got Android Auto here. Trying to get a little bit mirroring out of it. It's actually a pretty bright screen, which is really good. I got Spotify on the right. It's not the fastest device of all time, but it works pretty well. Let's see. Let's go for Spotify. And you can select the map. You can also make the call list, which I won't show you. Then you got the Google Now function, which is actually really cool. You actually only have to say the command, which I won't. And you got like the menu with all kinds of apps, etc., what you can install and stuff. Well, stuff you can use in your car. Send it, because my car, as you can see, it's a bit dusty, but it also does not have like a Bluetooth connection. So what do you know? You can use your this device to send in FM signal to your car radio, and you can actually use it to listen to the music of your Spotify on your car radio. You can also use the aux cable to connect it. There's a jack in the back. There's like a SD card reader here, which you can use for your camera, and there's another one on the other side, on this side, and that one is to actually use for data stores like video and MP3s, etc. No one uses it, but it's in there. I'm gonna be honest, it just works. It's a great device actually. It's really cheap. I bought it for 90 euros, and well, for 90 euros you get a lot of stuff. It's a great device. You get a mounting pad here. You get a secondary mounting pad, as I showed you. It has a lot of functions, and it just works. When I walk to my car, it actually automatically turns on, and well, it works. I can't say anything else. It's just a really cool device. As you can see, it's actually not even that slow. I might have actually undersold it. Okay, to finish, let's say it's a pretty snappy device. It works. It's actually a pretty good screen. It has a night mode. It has FM radio transmitter for your audio. It also got aux. You got Bluetooth. You got Spotify integration, of course, through Google Now of Android. And you got well, the Google integration, so you can use voice commands to talk. You never need to use your finger again. I tried to put it on the video, but it's really awkward, so I won't show you. But all in all, it's a really great device. I really like this purchase, and I want to give 5 stars. So if you have an old car like me, buy this product. You won't have any regrets. It's a 5-star product. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.